Hi and welcome to the tutorial on stamp filters. So as you may have noticed, sometimes when you add stamps you can get quite a lot back. This tutorial is going to go into a way of filtering through those stamps so you don't see so many. You're going to go to Add New Layer and click Home, Instrument. For this tutorial I'm going to do CTX stamps. So here you can either put in your lat long bounds or you can just press this button. It should say main view when you click it. Basically that means that it's only going to bring back stamps for the area that you see in this top screen. So if you look in the bottom, you'll see these two red lines. This is your main view area. So when we get stamps back, you'll see that they don't go past these red marks. This is nice because there are so many stamps that if you try and get them all back, it can actually crash your system. So press OK. It's going to bring back a bunch of stamp outlines. So you can see that there are quite a lot of stamps. We're going to double click our stamp layer and we're going to press Dock Me, so just so it's easier to see what's going on when we apply the filter. And now you're going to go down to the bottom tab that says Filter. This is where you can add different filters. You can actually add more than one filter if you know what you're looking for, but for this purpose we're just going to add one. You're going to press this plus sign and it's going to bring up a window with different options. Depending on what you're looking for, you could click a different option, but just for this purpose I'm going to click Incidence Angle Filter. Press OK. Now you'll notice it's all grayed out. If you want to apply it, you have to click this button. So after you apply it, if you don't like it, you can actually just click it back off and it disappears. So we're going to click it on. And you can do one of two things. You can either show values between a certain lat long bound, or you can just move this bar and you can actually show plus or minus how many you want to see from that area. So as you can see, we're at 0, you can't see anything. As we increase, you'll notice that we'll see more and more stamps. And if you can pay attention to the bottom screen, you can see that these stamps are actually changing location value. That's because this is your center point. So you can change around your center point as well if you just want to see certain areas. So you can play with all these different options to kind of filter through what you want to see. If you want to add an extra filter, you can click this plus button. So I'm just going to add it just so you can see what it looks like. And then here you do the same thing, you click the filter on, and if you want to click the other filter off, you can do that as well. So it's actually really easy and pretty helpful. And that's it for the stamp filter. Thanks, bye.